Hi friends, Namaste. Let us solve some problems which were given in Polytechnic entrance test. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. This was given in 2014 common entrance test. Now let us solve this problem. 1 plus sin A cos A. If we take LCM 1 plus sin A into cos A. If we divide 1 plus sin A into cos A by 1 plus sin A, cos A will remain. Cos A into cos A equal to cos square A plus, if we divide 1 plus sin A into cos A by 1 plus cos A. If we divide 1 plus sin A into cos A by cos A, 1 plus sin A will remain. So 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that equal to 1 plus sin A whole square. Now cos square A plus, if we square 1 plus sin A, then 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 sin A whole by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. 1 plus 1 square equal to 1 plus 2 sin A, 2 sin A whole by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A into cos A. That equal to 2 plus 2 sin A whole by 1 plus sin A into cos A. That equal to, if we take 2 as common, 2 into 1 plus sin A, 2 into 1 plus sin A whole by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A will be cancelled. Now 2 by cos A, that equal 2 into 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A equal to secant A. So 2 secant A. This is the answer. Okay. Now let us solve another problem. Now secant power of 6 theta minus tan power of 6 theta minus 3 secant square theta tan square theta equal to dash. This was given in 2009 Polysat exam. Okay. Secant power of 6 theta, that means secant square theta whole cube minus tan square theta whole cube minus 3 secant square theta tan square theta into 1. That equal to secant square theta whole cube minus tan square theta whole cube minus 3 secant square theta tan square theta into secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Instead of 1, we can write secant square theta minus tan square theta. Why? Because secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Now look here, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. It is looking as the formula a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, where a equal to secant square theta and b equal to tan square theta. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, that equal to a minus b whole cube, that equal to a minus b whole cube. Here a equal to secant square theta minus b equal to tan square theta whole cube, that equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, that equal to 1 cube, that equal to 1. So the answer is 1. Here answer is 1. Another sum, sin power of 6a plus cos power of 6a plus 3 sin square a into cos square a. 3 sin square a into cos square a. This bit was given in 2004, 2006, 2008 poly set. So now here sin power of 6a equal to sin square a whole cube plus cos power of 6a equal to cos square a whole cube plus 3 sin square a into cos square a into 1. Now sin square a whole cube plus cos square a whole cube plus 3 sin square a cos square a into sin square a plus cos square a. Sin square a plus, instead of 1 we can write sin square a plus cos square a. Why? Because sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So now it is a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to a plus b whole cube. Here a equal to sin square a, therefore a equal to sin square a plus b equal to cos square a, sin square a plus cos square a whole cube. That means sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. 1 cube equal to 1. So the final answer is 1. Okay, let us solve another problem. Now 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta into 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta. This question was given in 2005 Polysec entrance examination. Now 1 plus cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta into 1 plus tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Now here the LCM is sin theta, therefore sin theta, 1 sin theta is a sin theta into 1 equal to sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 into, here the LCM is cos theta. Now cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Okay. So sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 plus 1. A minus b into a plus b. Here it is a. 1 is b. A minus b into a plus b. Now a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus b square. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus b square. That means 1 square whole by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Look here, sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. Look here, whole by sin theta cos theta, Look here, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Here is minus 1. So minus 1 whole by sin theta cos theta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. So 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta cancelled. So the final answer is 2. Okay friends, thank you. Let us solve some other problems in another video. Thank you. Namaste.